Hey there, YouTube. On the way home from the Restore today, I stopped at a neighborhood rummage in a trailer park and I picked up these two bikes for a total of 25 bucks. This is the second week in a row I've come across great deals on bikes. The first one is a Trek 820. This bike is awesome. I only paid 15 bucks for it. It's solid. It needs a little bit of TLC, but it's got straight rims. The shifters seem to work. There's no play in the wheels. The tires are great. I couldn't believe it. $15. It said make offer on the seat, and I asked the girl, I was just like, how much are you looking to get out of this? And she was like, make an offer. I'm just like, I don't know. And she's like, 15. And I'm just like, here you go. So I gave her a 20. She gave me $5 back, and I took it home. And yeah, this one should profit pretty good once I go through it. Next one is a Huffy Incline. Picked this one up for $10. The lady said she bought it for her son brand new and he never rode it. And looking into detail, I think she's right. This thing looks like it was hardly ridden. This back rim has a little bit of wobble in it, which all mostly cheap bikes have. The pedals, look at the pedals. They look like they hardly been stepped on. They're perfect. The problem with this one is the shifters are seized. I messed around with the rear one, and I got the rear derailleur to shift once you crank the shifter here. The front derailleur, I gotta play around with that shifter yet. But this one has good tires. It's got front suspension like that one does too. And yeah, once I go through this one, it'd be an easy $60. I think I'm going to upgrade the seat though, because this seat is kind of shitty. A lot of these cheap seats that come with these cheap bikes, they're very uncomfortable. So I think I'll just swap that one out with a decent seat I have around in my stash. But yeah, 25 bucks for both of these. That's a steal. And this one, yeah, I should earn almost $100 or maybe over $100 for this. And last weekend, I picked up two bikes. I spent a little bit more. I spent probably, what's that, $65. 50, yeah, $65. There was a Trek hybrid bike. I bought it for $45, and I sold it the day after, last Saturday, for $100. I sold it for. This Schwinn Mesa right here, I picked this one up for 20 bucks. It didn't have the rear rack on it. I added that. I had it in my stash. It's got good tires. It needed some major derailleur adjustments, and the back brake needed to be adjusted too. Got that all fixed, and now it shifts and rides awesome. There's a little bit hesitation in the shifting, but that's nothing compared to what I've worked on before. And plus, this seat was all loose. I tightened it up. I tightened up the headset too. And a guy's coming over to buy it for 80 bucks. Oh yeah, I swapped the pedals out. The old pedals that were on it, I think they were clip pedals because they were metal. And I had this set of pedals off another mountain bike I shoved on. Yeah. Oh, I added a water bottle rack. I've got that off another bike too, so yeah, a guy's coming over to get this in probably like 20 minutes. And that concludes the video. You got to spend money to make money, and that's what I've been doing. I've been selling bikes off and on since maybe 2007 during the Craigslist days. And that concludes the video. Bye.